But let's say I need to get Aaron to look at something. So I can add a little mention to him. Is this be all caps? And he'll get a notification on his side or an email, depending on how we have it set up, that this needs his attention. He can come back in here and perhaps respond to me or add his comment, whatever it might be. So here we go. Looks like he's responded. So we also have support for unread notifications too. So you can see this is highlighted. So if I've actually left the document and come back later, it's going to highlight all the changes that have been made since the last time. And here's a new annotation. Looks like he's making down the bottom. Let's see what he said here though. Let's keep this one as it is. Okay, sounds good to me. We also have support, of course, for annotation statuses, which is really important and useful in review and approval workflows, just to track what's been reviewed, what hasn't been approved. So I'm going to accept his comment here. And let's see, what did he say down here? So I got a notification, if you heard it on the side there, that good point, we should review. So you'll also see we have threaded conversations as well, just to make it a little bit easier when we have multiple people in the same document. A few of the other neat things that we talked about is, so you can see this annotation feed on the left-hand side. So every time there's a change, that event is available. So you can integrate and use that in all sorts of different ways within your own product.